Ever wondered about the story behind XRP, the digital asset that's been making waves in the world of finance? Well, hold on to your seats, because a new documentary titled XRP Unleashed is set to hit the screens in November. Fruition Production, the LA-based studio behind the film, has announced that they will be self-distributing the documentary, bypassing traditional Hollywood channels. But why self-distribute, you ask? Well, in an era where Hollywood is experiencing significant shifts and is becoming less enthusiastic about experimental content from new creators, self-distribution allows Fruition to the production to maintain creative control and reach their audience directly. The documentary features Ripple CTO David Schwartz, who will provide one of the most high-profile appearances in the film. However, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and other top-level executives won't be appearing in the documentary. According to Fruition Production, Brad and his team were not willing to appear due to the scope of what the documentary covers. And XRP Unleashed aims to dissect the legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, providing an in-depth analysis through interviews with prominent figures involved in other cases. The film promises to deliver groundbreaking revelations about the impact of this legal battle on international banking and financial services, the technological underpinnings of XRP, and its potential applications in areas like asset tokenization and central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Our Fruition Production has also confirmed plans to release a new trailer a couple of weeks before the premiere, offering a sneak peek into the rigorous research and groundbreaking revelations the film promises to deliver. And then side off, that's going to imagine the team mindset. It's not really very Mon, and it turns out that there's a fund of XRP. Well, let's just say that it might just soar to new heights with the release of this documentary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,